Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to insert new sheet in Excel. So here also in this video I am going to teach you how to insert a new sheet with the help of three different methods. So first method we will see by using insert sheet command. Second method we will see by using the plus symbol, and third method we will see with the help of Excel keyboard shortcut. Before moving towards these three methods, first of all I want to explain you that by default there are three sheets available on our Excel screen right now, that is sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Okay, so in addition to these three sheets we will see how we can add new sheet in Excel with the help of these three methods. Okay, so the first method we will see with the help of insert sheet command. So where we can find this insert sheet command? For this we have to go to the home tab, and under sales group we can see here the insert command. Click on this insert command, and here we can see the last option, that is insert sheet. Click on this command, we can see that sheet 4, this is new sheet, will get added to our Excel screen. Okay, now we will go back to our sheet 1, that is our main sheet, and we will now proceed towards our second method, that is by using plus symbol. Previously there are only three sheets were available. Now we have inserted one more sheet by using insert sheet, so this sheet 4 will get added. Okay, and now we can see here the plus symbol, so this is our second method. If we want to add new sheet very quickly, we can just click on this plus symbol. Okay, we can see that new sheet, that is sheet 5, is now added to our Excel screen. So this is second method. We will now go back to our original sheet, that is sheet 1, and this is our last method, that is by using Excel shortcut. If we don't want to use mouse at all to insert a new sheet, we can insert a new sheet with the help of only keyboard. Okay, so how to do this? For this we have to press and hold the shift button, and while press and holding this shift button we have to press F11 key on our keyboard. Okay, so with this we can see that new sheet will get quickly added to our Excel screen. So here we can see that sheet 6 is now added to our Excel screen. So these are the three methods we have seen here. First, by using insert sheet command, which we can find in the home tab under sales group. Then by using plus symbol, which we can find on the right side of the sheets, and the third is the Excel shortcut, that is by using shift and F11 key on our keyboard. I hope you are now clear with all the three methods to insert new sheet in Excel. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.